The All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya had met together at the Wahingdoh Community Hall, Shillong, for the formation of the 17 North Shillong Block Trinamool Congress Committee on the 28th of May 2022. The leader of the opposition and parliamentary party leader of the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Committee, Dr. Mukul M Sangma, MLA of Umroi and State Vice President, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Committee in charge of Ei Bhoi District, George B Lyngdoh, the State Vice President, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Committee, James B Lyngdoh, executive members of the party frontal leaders, workers and supporters attended the program held on Saturday.
We must say that yes, we want to share this honors and responsibility. And that is the reason why I believe that all of you have been brought here together today. আপনারা সবাই জড়িত হয়ে এই দেশকে উন্নতির পথে নেওয়ার জন্য আমরা সবাই দায়িত্ব নিতে চাই।